Hi guys, all of you, good evening, and
Good
welcome back
evening.
to Jenkins' second class. Yes, dear guys, we have discussed about the Jenkins configuration on yesterday's class. Yes, in yesterday's class, so what we did, so we have installed Jenkins by using minstall. By using minstall, we have installed Jenkins and installed plugins and configured everything that username and all. So finally we got that one dashboard. Okay, guys. In today's session, in today's session, so I'll show you that one more method for configuring Jenkins. Okay, guys. Yes, in today's Jenkins second method. Okay, second method installation. Yes, step one, update the server. Okay, guys. Next, update the server. Server means OS. Next, two, install VAM, wget, tar, make, unzip packages. Next, two, three, install Git. Okay, either custom version or default version. Next, four, install install Java Java 11 or above version. Okay, next fourth one, fifth one, install Tomcat and configure user user and password. Next, sixth one, download Jenkins.rar. Seventh one, copy or move the Jenkins.rar to /opt Tomcat web apps web apps directory. Next, eighth one, set the user and password for Tomcat login. Okay. Next, ninth one, let's start the Tomcat service by /opt Tomcat bin startup data. Yes, just 1 minute. Okay, guys. So by this command, we are going to starting the service. Next, 10th one is stop the firewalls by systemctl stop firewall D. Next, 11th one, take the IP, take the IP and open any one browser in Windows. Okay. Next, 13th one, yes, Okay, apply http:// your Jenkins IP, Jenkins server IP address colon 8080. Okay, and next, if we want to enter into Tomcat, then we can enter into Jenkins. Next, apply choose. Okay, yes, then give Tomcat login user and password. Next is choose. Okay, manager app. Next, 16th one. Okay, check the Jenkins status on status. I mean that the status is it's active or true or false. True or false. Okay, mode. Okay, next, 17th one. If true, yes, click on Jenkins. Next, 18th, just wait for some time and okay, wait for some time. Then 19th one, yes, you will see the key path 20th, yes, copy the path for given path for take Jenkins. Okay, encrypted key. Okay, next, 21, yes, move to terminal and apply cat space copied path Jenkins secrets key path. Okay, 22, copy the ENC encrypted key and move to Jenkins console. Already yesterday we saw this one. Okay, same, it's repeating that Jenkins console and paste the key in empty text box. Okay, yes, next, click on that continue. Okay, so like this we are having that. Okay, next, to 23, yes, choose suggested plugins. Yes, so once over the plugins installation, yes, set the user and password and full name and mail ID. Next, 25th step is save and continue. continue. Next 26th. So you start with Jenkins. Okay. So you will get that. Yes. Click on that. We will see that. Okay. Paste. We'll see. And click on what next? Click on continue. Okay. Yes. In the 27th step, maybe some steps are varied. Okay. Yes. Finally, we will see the Jenkins dashboard. Okay, these are the steps, guys. Of course, we some steps will add some more steps. Maybe. Okay, I forgot that. We'll see that, guys. Okay, so these are the steps to configure Tomcat. Jenkins on Tomcat method. Okay, now, guys, all of you guys, you should have that Oracle account for downloading that Jenkins Java.var file. Oh, sorry, Java tar.gz file. Okay, we will see that. Okay, a separate class. Guys, we will take that separate, not in this class. Okay, so manually. Okay, I'll take that remote from you. Okay, I'll show that how to create that Oracle account and how to download that, guys. Okay, so in this class, okay, it's not possible to show you that. Okay, for everyone, I will take that responsibility to, okay, to show you that. Okay, guys. Now, yes, as usual, clone one new server. Clone. Just wait, guys. Yes, guys, we are cloning this mission. Yes, manage, clone. Yes. Yes. Jenkins 6 p.m. 6 p.m. Jenkins on Tomcat for 6 p.m. class. Okay, guys. Just for my understanding purpose, we are naming this one Jenkins on Tomcat for 6 p.m. class. Just I'm naming this one. Okay, guys. Finally, we got that. Yes, click on the close. Now we will get one more server. See, guys. Now I'm changing this infra. Yes, I'm giving that 4 processors or 6, and I'm giving that 8 GB. Guys, already I told you that. Already we have discussed about these resources. Okay, guys. So if yes, already told it in the yesterday's class. I told that only with one GB RAM and one processor also we can set up Jenkins. Okay, you don't change that. Whatever you are having default changes, whatever you will get default changes, yes, you can continue with that. You need not to change that, guys. Okay. Next, power on this one. So, because I have that a lot of infrastructure, so that reason I'm choosing that. Okay. Hey, guys. Yes, password. Next, get the IP. Yes. 192.168.10.211. Yes. Change settings. For every visibility only I am changing that. Actually, this is not required for me. Okay. Next, login as a root and its password. What we have given. Now Jenkins is ready, guys. Sorry, server is ready for configuring Jenkins. Now, what is the command to? What is the command to set name? Yes, guys. What is the command? Yes.
M command, right?
Yes. Okay, two more. Okay. Post name. Set the name. Set the name for Jenkins server. Okay. Yes. Post name. CTL set icon post name Jenkins. Okay. EXEC back. Next to see guys post name. Guys, yesterday we have updated this server, but officially for formally we are going to using this one. Yes, M update -y. Of course, nothing to worry. Already I have installed everything that my server is up to date. Everything up to date. If it is going to downloading and installing maybe 1 or 2 packages, okay, or else no updates. Network issue. Okay, guys. See, guys, nothing to update, nothing to do. Everything is clear. Now, so my Jenkins server is okay. I mean that server is ready with the updates. Now, what we are doing that is step by step. So next one, we are going to installing. We are going to installing these packages. Okay. We are going to installing these packages. Yes. So M install -y. Yes, like this. VAM duplicate tar make unzip. We are going to installing these packages. Okay, updated. If you try to install again, it's already installed. Now guys, so git space -hyphen version. See guys, we don't have that. We don't have git. Now we are going to installing, what is it? Default version. For custom version, already you know that how to install custom version. Okay, you can go through that. If you have free time, you can go through that. In real time, that 100% depends on that version compatibility. Okay, guys, we should follow the documentation and the rules. Okay, we are not going to installing based on our opinion. Okay, guys, we should follow the document. Nothing to worry about that. Okay, whenever you are going to installing packages and configuring that, so we will discuss with the team. Okay, after discussing only, yes, in the group meeting, we will decide that and we will take that confirmation with the client. Okay, and the compatibility, hardware compatibility, software compatibility, and everything and all. Then only we are going to installing that. Until that, we can't install. Nothing to worry. For now, our practice purpose, you can choose that custom version or this version also. Okay. Now I am choosing that yum install git space -y for avoiding time consumption, guys. So that reason we are going to install in this version. Okay. Otherwise, we will continue with the custom version, latest versions. Okay. Now, if already you have that software, yes, connected to WinSCP SCP tool for copy the Java and Tomcat Java software from Windows to Linux server. Okay, guys. If you don't have that WinSCP, install that. Okay. I'll tell that. If you don't have that, nothing to worry. Okay, I'll take care about that, how to install and how to connect that. So now you will see here how to connect that. Okay. I will show you that how to connect that. But if you don't have that software, I'll tell that how to download and how to install that, guys. Okay. Until that, wait, nothing to worry. Okay. Next. So we have installed the Git successfully. Now apply that Git space -- version. The version of Git is 2.39.3. Okay, guys. Fine. Now, so what we have to do? We need to install Java. Yes, Java space -version. See, guys, we don't have that Java version. Now, what we are doing that we are going to installing and setting the path. Okay. So now take that IP space here. Take this IP address and move to WinSCP. See, guys, WinSCP is the bridge tool. WinSCP is the bridge tool to connect or to create connection in between Windows to Windows, Windows to Linux, Linux to Linux, Linux to Windows. Okay, it will create one connection in between two environments, either Windows to Windows or Linux to Linux or Linux to Windows or Windows to Linux. Okay, guys. Yes, this is the tool. So if you don't have that, I'll tell that how to download and install that. Until that, nothing to worry. It's very, very simple. Okay. You need to spend 5 to 10 minutes time. That's it only. Okay. Yes. Now, as usual, username, root, and password. Okay. Yes. Connect this mission. Connection established. Just click on that. Yes. See, guys, right side, which one we are seeing? Right side one window or partition that belongs to Linux, and left side one which we are seeing that belongs to Windows. Okay, guys. Now, so what we are doing that we are going to copying the software. Just click on here. Just click on this one and select that root. Select that root. OPT. I mean that if you click double click, so we will enter into that OPT. Now, left side one. These all are the softwares. So I kept my softwares in local disk D DevOps software directory. Now these all are my related to softwares. Yes, now we are choosing that the Tomcat already I have downloaded. I'll tell that how to download. Okay, guys. Now I am choosing this one. Just a drag and drop here. Now again, so yes, already I told that if you want to configure Jenkins, you should have that Java 11 or above version. You should not go for below to 11th version. Okay, you should select that 11th or above version. Okay, guys. Next, come into J series, Java. I'm choosing this one, Java 11.0.20. Guys, make sure that the package should be tar.gz. The package should be tar.gz. Don't take this .exe file. You should not download for Linux. What is that? .exe file. All .exe and .msi files belongs to Windows only. .exe and MSI files for only Windows, not for Linux flavors. So you have to download tar.gz file or zip file. Okay, guys. Now already I have downloaded this one. I'll tell that how to download. Okay, I'll tell that. Okay, separately. Okay, individually I'll take that and I'll tell you that to everyone. Okay, how to download that package. Okay, I'll send that some links. So before that, try to create that Oracle account. Then I'll tell that. Okay, guys. Now these two are enough. Okay, and one more software required, that's calling as a Jenkins.well. We will download directly. See, this is the old one. When we have downloaded this one, just I'll tell that. Yes, we have downloaded on the date. Okay, created. Maybe not this one. So we'll get to that later. Maybe this is the latest one, but almost 1 month, 1.5 months over. So okay, whenever you are going to configure Jenkins, if you are going to configure Jenkins for every 1 week, better to download new one. Okay, guys. This is the old one. Now I'm going to deleting this one. Okay, we'll download directly. Okay, to Linux machine. Okay, guys, that's enough. Now, without closing this one, yes, now come here, cd space / optll. See, guys. Okay, now you can close this one. Now, this is enough for today's task. Now, what we are doing that we are going to extracting these files, guys. See, this is the Tomcat and this is the Jenkins. Now, what we are doing that we are going to extracting the command, new Linux command, where we saw that download the Tomcat file and extract the Java file with the command tar. Same here also. What is it? Tomcat file. Okay, guys. Tomcat software. Actually, that's the Tomcat software, not a file, but we will see in the file format. Okay, with the command tar.gz. Okay, guys. Now, okay, yes, tar space -xvf extract, X for extract, V for verbose, F for file. I already were having some experience about this command with this command. Yes or no, guys? Already we are having experience with this command. Okay, when we use this command, guys, at what time we have used this one? For extracting Git software. We have used this command tar space -X for extract, V for verbose, F for file, space package name or file name tar.gz. So we have extracted. See, guys, after extracting we got one more. Yes, now what we are doing? So we are going to renaming that MV Apache Tomcat space Tomcat. Just simply we renamed that. And we are going to extracting one more package with the name. Okay, which one we are having? JDK. Yes, extract this one. Same tar space -xvf extract verbose file space the file name or package name. Yes, guys. Now we have installed. Sorry, down, extracted. Now, so we are entering. Yes, we are going to install in the package font config. Font config. Yes. Install the font config software. Font config software for Java. Yes. So install font config space -y. Okay, so we have installed. Now see guys, we are having that JDK software. Inside this JDK, see, these are the supported software. Okay, you should not disturb this one. And I'll send that documentation guys for setting that this Java path and all. Okay, we'll follow the documentation. Yes, DevOps software. You can see that Java path setting. Find that. Okay, Java path setting. Yes, we are having. Guys, these are the steps for Java latest version. So, what is the latest version? 2.42.1 now. Yes, this is the for future reference. 42.1. Okay. Yes. Now, see guys, this is the path for Java 11th version. Okay, this is path for 8. Now, make sure that if we have the same version, we need not to modify. If we have same version, we need not to modify, or else we need to be modified that. Yes, see guys, we are having different version, PWD. So we are having that Java 11.0.20, but there is Java 11.1.14 something. We are having. Yes, now come here. Just apply this one. Yes, replace with this one, guys. Yes, now replace all. Yes, cancel. Click on this one. See guys, now copy these two lines. Yes, guys, the Java, whenever you are going to setting the path, we should have that Java home path and executable path. Guys, we will discuss later on that. These are very, very important. So these concepts only we are going to learning. We are not going to writing Java programs. Whatever we are doing right now practically, these things we should learn. Okay, guys, we have to learn these things only. So we need to download that Java, that particular version, respective version we need to download, and we need to extract, and we need to set the path. While setting the path, we need to change these things. This is enough for set up in Jenkins and all. Okay, later on we will see the guide. Okay, this is now copy these two lines. Copy these two lines. Now move to. Yes, already you are having some experience with bash RC file. Yes, VIM. Already we have installed that package. Tilde class dot bash RC file. Be careful with this file. You should not disturb. This one is already existed. Okay. Yes, be in the insert mode. Be in the insert mode and give the 2 or 3 line space and hit it and apply this one. Paste here. Escape shift colon WQ. Okay, guys. Now, just apply that source command. Just go URC source. Now, if we apply that to Java space hyper version, so if we will get that latest version, what we have installed that version, yes, everything fine. So whatever we did the step, that's everything fine. If we are not getting that Java version, or else if we will get any kind of other arguments than Java version, yes, we did that mistake. We did mistake. We need to find that what we did that mistake and need to be resolved. Okay, we'll see that. Okay, successfully we have installed Java. Already I told that in yesterday's class, we have discussed without Java we can't configure Tomcat, we can't configure Jenkins. Without Java, we can't configure Tomcat, we can't configure Jenkins. Okay, that's very, very important thing that you have to keep in mind. Always, whenever you are going for Jenkins, okay, if you are going to configuring Jenkins, if you are not going to configuring Jenkins. So finally, if you are working with Jenkins, you need to think, yes, this Jenkins working depends on that Java. Without Java, this Jenkins won't work. You need to fix that. If anyone asks the person, you have to say like that. Okay, fine guys. Successfully, we have configured two things. We have configured one Git and one Java. Next, coming to step, come back one step. Now we are going to configuring Tomcat. Yes, VAM/OPT Tomcat Web Apps Manager Meta INF context.xml. Context.xml. Rename the Tomcat default version to Tomcat name. Okay guys. Next, give the allow permission in below file with within the double quotes dot asterisk. Okay, in line number, I'll tell that. Okay, yes, in the context.xml file. Yes, now, yes, hit the enter. Yes, the line number. See here, line number 22. Line number 22. Okay, yes. Remove this one. Be in the insert mode. Remove this all within the double quotes. You should be in the within the double quotes. Don't forget about this one. Dot asterisk. It means anyway. Yes, escape shift colon WQ. Okay. Yes, fine. Now one more step. Yes, change the password. We are setting the password. Yes, VAM/OPT Tomcat users.xml. Okay. Yes, set the password, user and password for Tomcat in below file. Okay. Yes. Hit the enter. Yes. Be careful with this text. Whatever you are seeing here, you should not disturb. Come here. End of the file. Be before to one. Be in the file before to last line. This is the last line in this document. Now, yes, this is also, I'll give that documentation and I'll tell that slowly. Okay. Yes, the username, password. Yes, copy this one. Yes, not this one. Yes. Yes, username is present. I'm setting that username admin and password also admin. Yes, copy this one and this one also important. Yes, copy these two lines I'll give this all documents. Okay. So without the document also I'll tell that. Okay. If you miss the documentation, how you can do that? Okay. Yourself only. Okay. You need to avoid some documentation dependency also. Okay. Save this one. Save this one. See guys, username, Tomcat login username is admin and password is admin. Okay, escape shift colon WQ. Fine guys. So we set the path for Tomcat login and we have configured, we have given the permission to allow the Tomcat outside this mission. Now, so what we have to do? Yes. So now we need to download Jenkins.war file. We need to download Jenkins.war file. Yes. Be in the OPT, PWD, LL. Now, open your browser. Open your browser. Yes, open new tab. Okay, yes. Jenkins download. Yes, you can apply like this also. Jenkins download. Yes, already we have discussed in yesterday's class. Once again, don't take this one weekly version. So because it's a complete, okay, streaming package. Okay, every day to day, every minute to minute or hour to hour, they are going to modify this one. So don't take this one. If you take this one, you will be in the trouble. You can't configure Jenkins successfully. Okay, you will get maybe a lot of issues with the plugins installation. So don't take this one. So that LTS long-term support is in the long-term support. Yesterday we have chosen this one. Yes, guys. Yesterday we have chosen this one. But today we are going to configuring Jenkins with the help of or on the platform of Tomcat. On the top of Tomcat, we are going to configuring Jenkins. So that reason we are not choosing this one. Yes, we are choosing this one. If we click left button, it will download into Windows Mission. We have opened this browser in Windows Mission. If you click on this one with left button, yes, it will download into Windows Mission. Then you need to copy the package from Windows to Linux with the help of WinSCP. Okay, guys, or else some other FTP tools. Okay, now I'm not going to download into Windows. Yes, just I'm going to download it directly in Linux Mission. Just click mouse right button. Click mouse right button on this generic Java package. Then copy link address with the left button. Now move to your Linux server. Yes, now we are in the OPT folder. Now wget download that package. Just paste here, hit the enter. But make sure that internet is important. Without internet, you can't download. We are going to downloading into Tomcat directory. We are going to downloading in Tomcat directory. Sorry, OPT directory. Now what we have to do? We need to copy the file. So whatever we have downloaded Jenkins.war file, we need to be copied into class OPT Tomcat web apps. So why we are calling that again and again OPT? Because we kept the Tomcat software in OPT directory. In our case, at present, we kept the Tomcat software in OPT folder. So that reason we are calling that is slash OPT Tomcat. Now, already we have written here. See, we have downloaded this one and move or copy the Jenkins.war file into class OPT Tomcat web apps folder. Okay, guys. Now, the command, we are copying this software, not moving. Yes, cp Jenkins.war class OPT Tomcat web apps. Okay, guys. Yes, now hit the enter. Yes, successfully we copied. If you want to see that LL space slash OPT Tomcat web apps. See, guys. We copied this one. Now, what we have to do? We need to start the service. Yes, already we said that username password for Tomcat. Already we did this one. Okay. where we kept the password. Yes, this one. Okay. Yes, now remove this one. Now we are starting the Tomcat service. Without Tomcat service, we can't run the application. Yes, now starting the software /opt tomcat bin startup.sh. Okay, hit the enter. We will discuss later on that. Okay. So why we need to apply this one? So what is this meaning? Okay. So what it will do that? So we will discuss later on that one by one. Okay. Now we have started Tomcat service successfully. Yes, if you observe this one, LL, yes, if you observe that one, yes, we can see one more file with the name of Jenkins in the web apps folder. /opt tomcat web apps. See guys. Okay, we should have this one. We can't work with directly. We can't work with this one. Okay, directly. We are working with this one. Now Tomcat requires this Jenkins file, not this WAR file. Okay, guys. Once you start the Tomcat service, the Tomcat itself only it will extract this WAR package and create one more file with the name of Jenkins. Now this is the Jenkins file. So now we are entering into the Tomcat. Yes, this is the, yes, take the IP address, IP space A, take this one. Yes, move to browser. Yes, here only. Yes, this Tomcat works on HTTP. Tomcat also works on HTTP. HTTP, not HTTPS. See guys, not HTTPS, only HTTP : / your IP address of the Jenkins server : 8080. Already we have written in this document. Where? See guys. Okay. Yes. We didn't stop this one. We will do that one. Okay. Without stopping this one, if you are opening that, if you try to work with the Jenkins without stopping this firewall, what will happen? We'll see that practically. Now we are in this step. Already we opened that browser. Now we are here. Yes, apply that. Yes, hit the enter. Of course, we will not get. Okay. Just wait, guys. See, finally we'll get this one. Yes, this is expected answer because we didn't stop firewall. Okay. Yes, now come here. Yes, systemctl stop firewall D. Already we have written, something went wrong. Firewall spelling. Okay. Now already we have written the step also here. See guys. Systemctl stop firewall D. Guys, please keep in mute. Guys, please keep in mute. Session is recording. Lakshmi. Okay. Yes, see guys. Automatically paste. Okay. Now, so this is the Tomcat phase, first phase. Now we are entering into phase. Yes, that step also we have written that. Yes, after that, apply this one. Click on choose manager app. Yes, click on this manager app. Now set the username password. What we have given that username password for Tomcat login? Admin. Okay guys. Yes, if you come here. Yes, what is the VAM/opt Tomcat conf Tomcat users.xml file. See guys, this is the username. This is the password. Okay. Now, yes, admin and admin. Username admin, password admin. See guys, if you want to save to for next, okay, without if you want to log in without, okay, entering password again, yes, you can save this one, or else you can apply that never. Okay, this is the Tomcat page, guys. Tomcat dashboard. Tomcat dashboard in the running state. Tomcat application running state. See, this is the application and the state is true. If you will see that false, we can't continue. Okay, until when you get the true. Okay, you have to wait here. Okay, there is no next step from here. If you get that false, you can't continue. So if we get the true, if the state is in running state true, yes, successfully we can, okay, forward for next step. Yes, click on Jenkins. Already we have written the step also. Yes, see guys. Okay. Login username, password, and click on Jenkins. See guys, true or false. Okay, check the status true or false. If true, click on Jenkins. So already we did that one. Now wait for some time. Now, of course, we got that immediately that page. You will sometimes you will not get immediately. You have to wait for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, something. That depends on that your hardware spec. Okay. But now immediately we got this one. Now this is the path. This is the file for key. This is the file for encrypted key. Okay, already I told that. Yes, see guys. Then just wait and you will see the key path. What is the key path? This is the key path. Yes, select this one and copy this one. Already we told this one. Just wait guys. Yes guys, some network issue. Okay guys, yes. Copy the given path for key for take Jenkins encrypted key path. Okay guys. Next. Copy this one. Select and copy without missing any character. Yes, copy this one and move to terminal. Already I told that. Move to terminal and apply cat Jenkins secret key path. Yes. Cat space, paste here and hit the enter. You will get this key. This is the encrypted key. Yes, double click on this one. Just double click on this one. It will select the entire key without missing any character. And just now move to your location. Just paste here. Okay. Click on that continue. Okay. Just I didn't write this one. Yes. Now install. Choose that install suggested plugins. Choose that install suggested plugins. See guys. Yes. Now you have to wait for installing this plugin. Until installing last plugin, you have to wait guys. But I am not sure here about your network speed and infrastructure, blah blah things. Okay, lot of things will rise here. So the final thing means, so you will get a failure plugins. Okay guys, you will get a red color. So and again you will see that you can see that retry. So until you need to click on the getting that all plugins installation successful. Okay guys, you have to click on that retry. If you will get any kind of failure plugins. Okay guys, note that point. Yes, meanwhile.
Ravindra, I have one.
Yes, meanwhile, if you have any doubt, you can ask me, guys. Yes, please.
Yeah. Yesterday you given the instruction to install the Jenkins in method using method 1. I successfully installed, but today you given method 2 with along with the Tomcat Jenkins.
Yes.
So here, so already I installed the Jenkins and the Git along with the Java, everything, and only Tomcat pending to install. So I can do it only Tomcat server, right?
I didn't clear, guys. Sorry, could you come again, please?
See, method one I installed Jenkins successfully.
Okay,
Up
yes,
to
method one,
Jenkins.
yes, method one you have installed. Okay,
Yes.
okay.
And today you given the instruction method two. In that instruction, Tomcat server also you are installing.
Yes, yes.
For these, so shall I install only Tomcat separately without using method two completely?
Yes, you can. The Tomcat is the web application server. Tomcat is the web application server that you use for to run the web application. Here, Jenkins also one kind of web application. You got it now?
Okay.
Jenkins can run individually or dependently. Got it now? Jenkins can run
Yeah.
independently or dependently. If you want to configure the Jenkins on dependent mode like this Tomcat, so you have to install Tomcat and set that username, password, and all. After that, you need to download that Jenkins generic Java package like that Jenkins.war file and you have to place into web apps folder. Web apps mean web applications. Once you place that Jenkins.war file inside that web apps folder, from the time Jenkins will act as a web application. Okay.
Okay.
It depends on the time. Yes, please. Yes, please. Can continue. Shakti, you are asking.
So method only successfully completed. Method two, who are all completed method one, those guys are not using, or if we continue method two also no issue. It's overriding. That's it, right?
No, you don't do the same thing on this mission. Okay, I have chosen new mission.
Okay.
You will get some conflicts. You are in initial level. You will get a lot of conflicts. Okay, so don't do that like that until when I tell that how to resolve that issue. If you try to install both on single mission, you need to change that some changes. I'll tell that.
Okay.
That is also one interview question. Okay, so until I'm telling that you don't try to install both on same server. Choose different servers. Okay, so that today also I have chosen another one. Have you seen that? See, this is the yesterday's mission. Okay, today is the
Yeah, I saw.
yes.
Yeah.
Now I am choosing this username and password also same because this is the R&D server. Okay, and my own server. No one not will take. Yes, click on this. Save and continue. Yes, save and continue once again. Save and yes, save and continue. Save and finish. Save and finish. Yes. Now, okay, start using Jenkins. Finally, you will get started using Jenkins. Okay, finally you will get, once you click on this one, let's see, you will get Jenkins dashboard. This is the process. Okay, guys. See, this is the process. Yes, these are the notifications. Yes, Java 11 end of life in Jenkins. Okay, so it will ends on, maybe they are having that. See guys, it ends on September 30th, exactly for after 1 year. Exactly after 1 year, they are stopping service on Java 11. See guys, still we are having Still we are having how many months? 10 months we are having. Okay guys. See. Until that we can use. So if you want to practice, yes, this is also important note guys. So who are going to attending interview? Yes, interviewer will ask the question. Interviewer will ask the question. You need to recognize this kind of concepts also. Okay. So note that point. Java ends at September 30th in 2024. Okay guys. So this is the important note. So until that we can use Java 11. So once you enter into October 1st, you have to start with Java 17. Okay guys. Until that, yes, better to practice on both Java 11 and Java 17. So interview will ask the question. And the older version also you will get, you need to be expected of questions. And the new versions also you need to be expected questions. Okay guys. Yes, this is the Jenkins dashboard. Successfully we logged in into Jenkins. This is the Jenkins login username and logout. Okay guys. See. Now what next? What next? Yesterday I showed you one diagram. Yes, we need to. I think I didn't save that one. October. Not this one. Okay. Yes, guys. Yesterday, what we said? Yes, as a programmer, programmers are writing their programs. Programmers are writing their programs based on their responsibility. Yes, after that, they are going to centralizing the code in one centralized repository. Okay, that's calling as a central repository, SCM repository, source code management repository. So here we are using that GitHub. We are using GitHub. Inside this GitHub, we are maintaining one repository. We are maintaining one repository for one project. Yes. This is one repo example. Okay. A repository. Yes. From here, what we are doing that? Just now we have configured CI/CD server. CI/CD. Yes. Whatever we have configured. Jenkins, that's calling as a Jenkins is the CI/CD server. Just now we have configured. Now we have installed Git. Now what we are doing that? Whatever we are having code in the GitHub repository, we are pulling into this Jenkins. With the help of here we should have that Git. Now here the Git is the interface in between GitHub and CI/CD server. Here we should have that Git. But the Git is inside this CI/CD server. We should have the Git inside this CI/CD server. Guys, may I know who is that caller one? I forgot that. Okay. Guys, some things missed out in this class. What we did, what is that missing concept is, just we logged in into GitHub. So what we are doing now, we are pulling the code from GitHub to Jenkins. So that reason we are logging into Jenkins, GitHub. Here, this is my GitHub account. So, but this is my GitHub. This GitHub account, I have that only one repository. So we can see here how many repositories are there. Yes, total we are having 2 repositories. So out of these two repositories, so in this repository I have that garbage files. These all are the garbage files, but I don't want to be continue with this repository. But I need this name. I need this name, but I don't want this. I don't want this. Yes, we can remove this all files, but it will take lot of time. So that reason what I am doing that directly I am going to deleting this repository. I am going to deleting this repository. Again, I'll create the same repository with the name of DevOps project 1. Yes, if you want to delete your repository in the GitHub, okay, be in the GitHub account, just click on that settings, GitHub account repository settings. Here we are having that user settings also there, and repository settings also there. Don't click on that user settings, click on that repository settings. Once you click on that repository settings, just come to bottom of the page, end of the page. Now you can see that last one, delete this repository, click on that one. Yes, now copy this one. Yes, select and copy this one. Yes, click on that. I want to delete this repository, click on this one. Yes, confirmation. Yes, I have read that information. Just click on that and paste here. Yes, finally we'll get this. Okay, active state. Yes, click on this, delete this repository. Successfully we have deleted. Okay, no more that repository. No more that repository. Now move to your CloudGen account. Again, click on this right side, top right side is you can see that plus symbol. After that you can see one small drop down button, click on that one. Yes, now once you click on the drop down button, you will see this menu. Now click on that new repository. Now name that repository name. Yes, I want the same repository. Yes, now by default we are choosing that okay, public, and don't forget about this one. Click on this add a readme file and create repository. Successfully we have created repository. Now, so I am taking this repository, copy this one, and moves into Windows Mission. So because I have some code here, yes, delete this one. Just create new repository. Yes. 6 p.m. DevOps class projects. Yes, now click here git bash here. Now git clone the repository name. Yes, we clone that repository successfully. LL. See guys, now CD DevOps, nothing here. Okay, only we are having readme.md file. Now move to this directory. Yes, in your mission you don't have that. So my mission only have that. I'll tell that how to process this one. And here we have that some projects. Just wait guys. Yes. Copy this all except readme.md. Copy this one. Just of course you are not having the software now. So that reason nothing to worry. Yes. Copy and paste here. Yes guys. Now yes, LL. See guys. Now if we apply that git status command, already files have created. Just we copied the files from one directory to this repository, local repository. If we apply that git status command, what we can see guys? Can we see modified, or can we see in untracked files, or can we see that nothing to commit working tree is clean? Note that point, already files are created. We didn't create these files, but we copied these files. Yes, guys. I want that quick response from you, that don't wait until, okay. Yes, guys, please. Okay, guys.
I think I'm tracked.
We will see that successfully. We can see that untracked list files. See, guys, we copied already. I told that if you copy the files from one directory to local repository, if you move the files, if you create the files, okay, if you create a new file, if you move the file from other directory to this local directory, and if you copy the file from another directory to this repository, okay, after doing these three things, we can see only non-tracked list. Okay, already I told that. You can see that beginning of the classes. Okay, now git status. Yes, git add space dot. We are going to adding all these files. Git status. Yes, git commit -m message. Yes, DevOps project 1. Okay, yes, committed. Now git status, nothing to commit, working tree clean. Next, git push origin main. Git push origin main. Yes, successfully we sent to remote repository. Now you can see here, just refresh here. Okay. Now what we are doing that, we are pulling this code into Jenkins. Now what we are doing that, we are going to integrating this repository to Jenkins. Okay, guys. Now after pulling this code into Jenkins, we can see that LL. So we have configured Tomcat method now. Yes, we can see that cd space /root dot Jenkins, cd space dot Jenkins LL. See, guys, these are the files and directories after configuring Jenkins. Here we don't have that directory with the name of workspace. We will get one more folder with the name of workspace. Guys, you got it now? Once we run the job in Jenkins, first job, so we will get one more folder with the name of workspace. Inside that workspace, we will get that job name, whatever we have created job name, whatever we have configured job name, we will see that. Now what we are doing that, guys, I am going to configuring Jenkins first job in the Jenkins. Yes, this is my dashboard. Now what we are doing that, we are going to integrating the code from GitHub to Jenkins. So first concept or first job in the Jenkins after configuring Jenkins. Now, if you want to configure Jenkins job, just be in the dashboard. This is the dashboard. Be in the dashboard. Now find that new item and click on that new item. Yes, now name the job name. Yes. First job or job one. Okay, just click on that pre-sale project. Guys, we need to be discussed all, okay, on all these things. Just, okay, wait and see, okay, until when I'll deliver that concept. So for this time, just name the job name and click on that pre-sale project and just click on that OK button. Once you click on that OK button, you will get one more page for configuring job. See, guys, this is the job configuration location. Now you need to say that some configuration details. Now this is the general page. Now click on that GitHub project, or else just click on that source code management directly. See, guys, already this plugin installed. Okay, you can't continue or you can't integrate the code from GitHub to Jenkins without this plugin. This plugin installed by choosing the suggested plugins. Whenever we chosen that suggested plugins, okay, by that one we got this plugin. Okay, inside that suggested plugins, this plugin also is there. Okay, guys. Now select this one. Now give the repository URL, GitHub repository URL. Just click on this one. Yes, you can take this one, HTTPS. Just copy this one. Click on that HTTPS and click on that. Okay, copy this one and should make sure that the branch name is main. That's very important. Now paste that URL and forget about this one. No need to give the credentials. Guys, keep in mind, no need to give the credentials because we are using public repository. For public repositories, need not to give the credentials. Okay, leave that blank. Now coming to branch location. Yes, which branch we are using? Yes, main branch. Our code located in main branch. So that reason you need to mention that or need to modify the branch name instead of master. Now that's enough. Just click on that save button. Yes, now trigger the job. Now we are triggering the job. Click on that build now. See guys, up here we don't have that directory with the name of workspace. In this list we don't have that workspace directory. Once you run this job, now also you can apply this LL command. See, after configuring job also, but we didn't run the job. Okay, now whenever you trigger the job here, just click on that build now. The process will start. Just wait. See guys, process started. If you want to see the live process without closing this one, just click on this link and click on that console output. You can see the process. See guys, job success, build success. It's the hint of job success or failure. Whenever you see that red color, build fail. Whenever you see that tick mark with the green color, it means success. Successfully we got the code from GitHub to Jenkins. Now move to your terminal. Yes, again apply that LL. See guys, we got that one directory with the name of workspace. Before that we don't have here. See, now inside this workspace directory, so whatever we have configured job name, what is the job name? Job 1. This is the job name. Move to dashboard. Now you can see this is the job name. Inside this workspace directory, yes, move to CD workspace. Yes, apply that LL command. See guys, this is the job name. Again, CD case sense na. Yes, LL. See guys, whatever we are having code in the GitHub repository, that code we pulled into Jenkins server. This is the concept. We integrated code, okay, from GitHub to Jenkins. This is the task. Okay guys. Yes.